guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicolah. If you are new, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. Love you. And if you're old, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a skincare haul video. I can't remember the last time I did one of these for you guys, and I just recently went to Target, the love of my life. I recently went to Target and picked up some new skincare. I was really running low on a lot of stuff, and some things I hadn't even used in probably like a couple of months. But now that we've gotten all that sorted out, I definitely had to go back and stock back up on a lot of the things that I liked to use, some products that I hadn't touched in a while, and some stuff that I needed to just replenish. If you're interested to see some of the things I got from Target, then stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'm also not sure when this video is going to go up, but if you're interested in seeing this eye look I created here, make sure to check in the ticker above and or the description box below. Alright guys, so I bought a lot of stuff when I went to Target, but I decided to just show you guys skincare because I'm gonna save body care and hair care for an entirely different video, because if not, I'd be here all day just talking products with you guys. And while I would love to do that, I want to eat. Like, I'm supposed to eat after I record this video, and I don't got the time to sit here and show y'all 35 million products. So I'm gonna start off with the lips. This is the only item that actually isn't from Target, but I wanted to include it in this video because I really like this product. That I'm really into lips, lip care, showing off your lips, making sure they're soft, they're plump, they're kissable, present, and ready to go. And one of the things that I use on the regular to make sure that my lips are in the best shape possible is a lip scrub. And while one of my favorite lip scrubs are from Lush, I discovered a new brand that I have been falling in love with for the past 2 weeks, and it is from Fizz and Bubble. It comes in different flavors, I would say. I don't want to call them scents because you taste them. I really like this lip scrub because there's some type of oil in here, and it leaves your lips with like a nice coat of like oil and plumpness once you're finished. It's not as drying as I found with a lot of other lip scrubs, and it's not as harsh as I found with a lot of other lip scrubs. For some reason, the crystallized sugar in a lot of other lip scrubs take a really long time. You know, you're there like this in the mirror, just takes a really long time to melt and to kind of dissolve onto your lips or into your mouth. This one doesn't take too long, so it's not as harsh as other ones, while it still is able to grab a lot of the dead skin off of your lips and stuff like that. And I got mine at Ulta, if you're wondering, so I did want to include it in this video even though it's not from Target, because, you know, it's affordable or drugstore adjacent. Moving on down the road, moving on down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou. Did anyone else see Princess and the Frog, or was that just me? The next thing that I went and picked up, because I really needed one that was face specific. I had been using, for the past couple of months, I had been using moisturizers that I've been using on my body, on my face, and generally I don't like to do that if I have the means to. So since I have the means to, I went and picked up a face moisturizer, and this one is from Shea Moisture. So I did a Shea Moisture skincare haul, and that's when I discovered that I really loved Shea Moisture skincare line. If you want to see that video, I'll make sure to link it in the ticker above and in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. When I found out that they had a daily hydration face lotion, oh, I had to go pick it up, sis. Oh, really love that there's a pump. I want my skin to still feel moisturized. I want it to still feel supple and plump without having that heavy coat of lotion or that heavy coat of oil, whatever kind of moisturizer I'm using on top of my face. So the fact that it's lightweight and I still get supple softness from it, I love this face moisturizer so far. I don't like to put coconut oil on my face, but I do like things with coconut oil in it because coconut oil does have a lot of skin benefits, but it's also high on the comedogenic scale. Getting something that has coconut oil in it, I've avoided the comedogenic aspect of coconut oil while still reaping some of the health benefits, which is another reason why I really like this product. Moving on down the bayou. So we're stepping into the realm of Biore, guys, okay? I really love the brand Biore. So this, guys, is the Biore. First of all, if you don't know the brand Biore, okay, you need to go to Target and get your life together, okay? This is their Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Face Wash, or Daily Purifying Cleanser. It has the charcoal aspect that I did like from their charcoal face wash, but the Rose Quartz aspect, that's where we're getting a little funky. Good kind of funky, I should say. For those who don't know, Rose Quartz, the crystal, is originally known for having like self-love properties, self-care properties, things of that nature. It tends to bring that aspect in terms of the crystal world into the wearer's life or the user's life. So them taking properties from that crystal and adding it into this formula, I think is so lovely, because things with rose in them, which I do have some other products with rose we will get into later, but things with rose in them, things with rose quartz shavings in them or anything like that, tends to bring out not only suppleness, but in terms of brightness that I really need in my skin. I need my skin to get that extra dose of love while I'm doing some real heavy duty lumberjack cleaning on it, you know? And it having that gentleness to it definitely allows my skin to not be as, I want to say, stripped and not as dull as it would be with the charcoal formula. So I would still get the deep cleaning of the charcoal formula while still getting supple, soft, and ready to go skin. Staying in the Biore family, I went and picked up some nose strips from Biore. I've tried a lot of affordable nose strips. If you're like me and you have oily skin, especially in your T-zone, I would definitely suggest using a nose strip about like once a week, once every 2 weeks. I would definitely suggest it because it would keep that area clean, especially if you have nose rings. If you have your nose pierced, I would so suggest using a nose strip every now and then, because you would be surprised how much dirt that area will hold on your nose. Great for the price. You get 14 nose strips in there. They also do have double packs if your T-zone is extra oily. They do have the double packs where it comes with 7 nose strips and 7 face strips. The face strip goes in this area here in your T-zone. It goes right about here. So if you like that, that would be another option, but I would always suggest Biore as a brand option in terms of looking for affordable nose strips that really work. They really grab the gunk out of your nose and they really leave your pores clean without ripping your skin off. Stepping into the eye area really quick, I had to show you guys the eye cream that I got. I also picked this up at Target. So this is the Botanics 80% organic with rose hip seed oil hydrating eye cream. One of my favorite properties of this eye cream is that it's not heavy. Like I mentioned with the Shea Moisture face lotion, I don't like things to feel heavy on my skin. I don't mind it being thick in nature or serumy or syrupy in nature, but it can't feel heavy once I put it on. It has to dissolve properly, it has to melt properly. My skin has to like it in a sense. So this guy, it doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cakey, and it doesn't feel like it's weighing down my already weighed down under eye. My under eye will get dark and it will get sunken in, not necessarily puffy. So if you're looking for a deep puffer, that's not this. This is not this. This is more purely hydration. All right guys, so we all know about face masks. Well, I know a little something about face masks too. So this is the brand Bella. I think this is a really nice, affordable skincare brand in terms of face masks. I love all their masks, all. Peel-off masks are my favorite kinds of masks to use, period. So I picked up their hydrating pineapple peel-off mask. The next one I ended up getting is their plumping gold peel-off mask. Then these two are double masks, so they're basically a double kit and you use one mask after the other. They tend to complement each other really nicely, but I've also found that using them individually also really work nicely on your skin. But if you're feeling extra pamperish, I would suggest using one of these double packs. Relieving watermelon peel-off mask, and on the other side it comes with the cooling avocado clay mask. So you'll first use the watermelon peel-off mask and then go in with the avocado clay mask. You would use them one after the other like that, and they work so nicely together. By the time I'm finished using these guys on like my spa nights, my pores are extra clean with this one, and like I said, because it's a relieving mask, your face doesn't feel stripped. It definitely feels cool, it feels calm and prepped. Your skin is open and prepped and ready for this avocado clay mask. Cools down the skin, closes back the pores, the clean pores. closes the clean pores, guys. And then once you wash all of that away, you have clean, supple, ready to go skin. Not gonna lie though, this next double pack is my favorite of the two. It is my absolute favorite. This is the conditioning honey and olive oil peel off mask, and then that is followed by a nourishing coconut cream mask. I think what I really enjoy about this double pack mostly is how soft your skin is. So that conditioning honey and olive oil peel off mask, that alone, I wish they made that one alone by itself in like a tube where I can just buy it in bulk and just use that, because it is probably the nicest peel off mask. All right, so now we're in the last category, and these are some things I picked up from Pixi. Really love Pixi. I like Pixi more for their skincare, less for their makeup personally. It's the Pixi Rose and Elderflower Nourishing Toner, or they just call it their Rose Tonic. Like I said, Rose really has rose quartz, rose the flower, and also elderflower. They have really nice properties in terms of nourishing the skin and in terms of making the skin soft and supple. You really want that. Naturally soothing and rich in nutrients, this tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness, and calms the skin. Rehydrates, replenishes, and refreshes. And it's also alcohol-free and can be used both AM and PM after cleansing. So like I stated earlier, I really like to add vitamin C into my skincare routine, but I took it out of my toner and I decided to add it into my serum. I feel like this combination will serve my skin a little better. So I decided to pick up Pixi's Skin Treatments, their vitamin C serum. This is their brightening concentrate. So I really like vitamin C for brightening properties. Not lightening. Get it together, okay? Wow, I need to get it together. Oh my God. And I really like to add vitamin C to brighten up any hyperpigmentations I may have on the skin, my faux stash that appears every now and then, dark marks from pimples, the whole nine. I feel like a daily usage of vitamin C will prevent those areas from getting darker. And lastly, I needed something as my overnight serum, or something that will help kind of repair and replenish my skin while I sleep. So this is the Pixi Skin Treats Overnight Retinol Oil. It's a smoothing night oil, and I really like the idea of something having retinol in it. It will really help to kind of replenish some of my collagen in my skin, you know, prevent early aging, or, you know, prevent any kind of premature wrinkles to develop in the skin. Because if you frown and make up your face as much as I do on a daily basis living in New York and traveling on the subway during frickin' rush hour, if you make up your face as much as I do, you definitely want to be concerned about premature wrinkles, okay? I definitely wanted something with retinol in it, and like I said, it comes with this awesome dropper. So each one comes with their own dropper. All right, guys, that's all I have for this skincare haul. I hope you either learned something, saw something you liked, or, you know, I hope I helped in terms of giving you some type of suggestion that won't break the bank, but that will still be good quality on your skin. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your peeps, and until next time, you guys, peace. I'm in love with you.